Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Bank of Baroda. Name of post is Manager Business Finance. Here qualification asked is either a CA or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 28 years. There is one vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience in bank, NBFC or financial institution. A per month pay scale will be based on candidate qualification, experience and overall suitability and last drawn salary. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th November 2024. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of the examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning topic, then visit PSU Exam Prep website. There we are offering video lecture course on reasoning topic for your exam. So check out that course also. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. You can check them. So I wish you all the best for your examination. Moving on, the next vacancy is from GAIL India Limited. Name of post is Senior Manager Finance and Accounts. The qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA or first class BA Economics or Maths or Statistics with MBA Finance or first class graduate in Engineering with MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 36 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India, and these are permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience. Per month pay scale will be in the range of 60,000 to 1,80,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 11th December 2024. And next vacancy is from National Project Construction Corporation Limited. Name of post is Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is either CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 35 years. There are 4 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India and abroad. Nature of employment is permanent. You need to have 8 years of experience. Per month pay scale will be in the range of 50,000 to 1,60,000. Mode of application is offline and last date is 16th December 2024. And next vacancy is also from National Project Construction Corporation Limited. Name of post is Deputy Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is either CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Per age limit is 30 years. There are 12 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India and abroad. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience. You will be in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is offline and last date is 16th December 2024. And next vacancy is a reminder vacancy. Name of organization is Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. Name of post is Junior Officer Trainee Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA Inter or CMA Inter. Upper age limit is 27 years. There are 35 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And this is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. You will win the pay scale of 24,000 to 1,08,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th November 2024, and date has been extended. So fill up this vacancy if you are meeting the eligibility, and we have also launched a practice course for this examination, so you can check out that course also. The next vacancy is again from PGCL. Here the name of post is Assistant Trainee Finance and Account. Qualification asked is BCom with minimum 60% marks. Age limit is 27 years. There are 22 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Per month pay scale will be in the range of 21,500 to 74,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th November 2024. Again, we also have the practice course for this exam also, so you can check that course also. Moving on, and next vacancy is from Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank Limited. Name of post is Senior Customer Service Executive. Qualification asked is first class post graduation in any discipline. Age limit is 27 years. There are total 170 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Once it's a permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. His salary will be 72,061. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th November 2024. The next vacancy is from Cotton Corporation of India Limited. Name of post is Skilled Workers on a temporary basis. Here the qualification asked is any graduate. Age limit mentioned is minimum 21 years. There is 61 vacancy. Place of posting is in Maharashtra. And nature of employment, as I already mentioned, it's a contractual or temporary basis. No prior experience asked. A per month pay scale is also not mentioned. Mode of application is that there is a walk-in interview on 23rd November 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share it with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I'll see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.